This video is a room tour of the Tabacon Thermal Resort and Spa. It joined small luxury hotels in 2021, representing boutique hotels with smaller capacities that offer more personalized service than typical hotels. Let's take a look at our room, Orchid King Bed. The room looks great with the modern interior. If you are lucky, they assign you a room in the building 300 on the top floor, offering the best view of the volcano. Now let's take a tour around the resort. The resort is split into two separate areas, the hotel and the hot spring down the hill and across the road. There is a paved path between the two as well as a shuttle that keeps circling all the time. In the main pool area, there's a slide. What makes Tabacon unique is that it delivers a free flow of mineral-rich thermal waters that comes from the Arenal volcano. Tabacon has 5 different springs with temperatures range from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The Shangri-La Gardens are only available to hotel guests over 18 years old.